Hey guys, it's Nina here and I'm back with a very quick video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put fake eyelashes. Okay, so you've chosen your lashes. These are my lashes. Now you want to check if the size of your eyelashes fits your eyes. The strip lash should begin in the bulk, in the natural bulk of your eyelashes. That's where it should begin. It shouldn't be like here in the super inner corner of your eyes because it's gonna irritate your eyes later on. And it shouldn't end like here. That's very long because it's gonna pull your eyes down and it doesn't look good. You don't want that look. So if it's this long, you want to count like 2 lashes inwards, and that's where your eyelashes should end. So 1, 2, that's where it should end. Gets 1, 2, that's where it should end, and then I guess 1, 2 as well. 1, 2, that's where your lashes should start. So you trim your lashes, you have your lashes trimmed. So now what you want to do is you get your glue, and for the glue I really like this one. I think I got this from Inglot. This is Duo Dark and it has a brush already. Oh, like this. What I'll do is, you don't want to put so much on the lashes. Just really like one layer. Not so much. That's it. And then you want to wait like 30 seconds. You don't want to blow on it. You don't want bacteria on your eyes. Now with my tweezer, I want to hold it there in the middle. I'm gonna start putting it in the middle. And by the way, you want to like curve it like this, so that it's not gonna pop out on your outer and inner corner. So you want it curved. So I'm gonna start putting it in the middle. And then push the outer corner and then the inner corner. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay, the next one. And then I'll fix the outer corner and then the inner corner. And voila! So that's how you put fake eyelashes. So you guys know that I wear contact lenses. I think it's one of the ways that you can enhance your look. And many of you have been asking what the color of my lenses are and where I get them from. So this one is Hazel by Color Vision, and I got it from adasat.com. And Adasat is very nice enough to give us a discount code. So all you need to do is put the code NINAXADASAT and you'll get a 30 dirhams off from their website. Right, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling.